Hey guys, it's me again, Juvy, the Millennial Mom. So, today, I transform myself into the goddess of life. So, I'll be the first to critic myself. This isn't the best tutorial. I've made mistakes, but I'm uploading it anyway because I don't have anything to upload. Lols. Kidding aside, I'm pretty proud of this. Because I just worked on with what I have and played with it. It didn't turn out on how I imagined it to be, but it's close. Except the awful prosthetics and the cheap white foundation. So as usual, I have my lenses so I can see, prime my face, and moisturize my lips. Then put on the prosthetics, which I think the first mistake that I did on this tutorial. I applied this with liquid latex. Now I'm thinking if only I used some eyelash glue instead, I think it would look much better. So what I did is to apply some liquid latex around the prosthetics and carefully place it on my face. Then to secure it, I put some more liquid latex over it. By the way, I DIY'd this prosthetics. This is the first time I did this and I think I did an awesome job, except that I wasn't able to use it properly. I also covered my eyebrows with this prosthetics. As you can see, I wasn't able to attach it properly. But this is just the first time. I will find a better way to apply it. I now applied this white foundation that I got from Shopee with a synthetic brush. The quality and the coverage of this isn't good. If you know where to find a better one, please let me know in the comment section below. I also dragged down the white foundation to my neck and shoulder, and I blend it well as much as I can. And then I dust a generous amount of baby powder. And then I blend it with a softer and fluffier brush. And then I did a lot of contouring here. I dipped the brush to the contour powder and dabbed the excess at the back of my hand and brush it to the areas that I need to contour. Like my forehead, the temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and the side of my mouth. I also contour my collarbones and shoulders, and I made it very grungy. And I won't forget the side of my nose. It's a must for me. I already did my eye makeup on my left eye. As you can see, the lines of the prosthetics are showing. It doesn't look good, but it's all I can do now. Again, I will find a better way to use it. I just applied an special effect highlighter that I got from Shopee. Then proceed to the eyeshadow. I just played with all the green eyeshadow from this palette. I applied it all over my lid, in my crease, and in my lower lash line. I used my fingers to drag the eyeshadow more upward and outward. Then I put a white line over my eyes with a white face paint. Because the face paint that I have is oil-based, I set it with a baby powder to prevent it from moving all over my eyes. And then I went back to the green eyeshadows and applied it above the white line, leaving a space in the middle. Then I dab a little bit of black eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Then line my waterline with a beige eyeliner. Then put on my DIY white false eyelashes. I painted it, which made it heavier. I know it's another mistake, but I don't have a choice. I can't find a white false eyelashes online. I also added a bit of blush. Going back with a special effect highlighter, I applied it on the highest point of my face, like on a regular makeup. Then I picked a nude lipstick for this look. I originally planned to make my lips thinner, but I ended up overlining my lips and made it fuller. I also added some highlighter on my lips. And oh, look at those lashes. It's super heavy. And to complete the look, I put on my wig cap and my wig. I also DIY'd this flower crown, which I put over my head. Pinned some front hair at the back and aura.